Hello everyone, welcome to this week's UK Property Perspective. It's Marisha here from UK Property Accountants. If you are saving for retirement or already enjoying it, then this video is definitely for you. Today, we're talking about something that's got a lot of people nervous. Could the government target pension tax relief in the upcoming 2024 budget? It's one of those things that could affect a lot of us. So let's dive into what's going on. Now, you might be wondering, why all the fuss? Well, with the autumn budget around the corner, there's a lot of speculation that the government is going to change the rules around pension tax relief. And we all know, when the government needs to raise money, pension often becomes the target. So, what is pension tax relief? It's basically the tax break you get when you save into your pension. Right now, if you are a basic rate taxpayer, you get 20% on your contribution. But if you're a higher rate taxpayer, you get 40%. And if you are an additional rate taxpayer, you get an impressive 45% back. But here's the kicker. This could all change. There's a lot of talk that government might reduce these reliefs for high earners or even bring in a flat rate for everyone, somewhere around 25% or 30%. Imagine what that would mean if you are used to getting 40% or 45% back on your pension contributions. And it's not just the tax relief that has got people worried. Right now, when you retire, you can take 25% of your pension pot as a tax-free lump sum. For many, that's a huge part of their retirement plan. But there are whispers that this could be reduced to 20% or even scrapped altogether. Yes, that's right. No more tax-free cash. Currently, you can withdraw up to £268,275 tax-free. But if that changes, it could really shake things up for those planning to cash in on their pensions. So, what are people doing to prepare? Some are making moves now, like using strategies known as bed and ISA or bed and pension. These sound fancy, but they are really just about selling investments and repurchasing them within a tax-efficient account, whether it's an ISA or pension. It's all about protecting your gain before any tax changes hit. By doing this, you can lock in current tax benefits and shelter your future investment growth from any potential tax hikes. But hold on. Before you rush to withdraw your 25% tax-free cash, here's what experts are saying. Don't panic. Yes, there's a lot of talk, but rushing could hurt your long-term investment growth. And if you move that money into a low-interest savings account or accidentally trigger inheritance tax, you could lose more than you gain. And let's not forget, pension tax relief might not be the only thing to change. We could also see adjustments to capital gains tax and inheritance tax in the upcoming budget. Bottom line, it's worth speaking to a tax advisor before making any big decisions. They'll help you figure out what's best for you and your situation. We at UK Property Accountants offer a free 15-minute discovery call where we understand your requirements and assess you accordingly. Thank you for watching and see you next time.